So I talk all the time about living our real life and working our life around our true values and beliefs and making sure we're getting the best out of our life. So our family sat down at the end of last year, 2020, and decided we're going to pull the kids out of school term 1, 2021, and travel around what was going to be WA. COVID's obviously put a little bit of a halt to that. So it's going to be New South. So we're going to start south and then work our way inland, experience all the offerings that New South Wales has. So basically 13 weeks, 14 weeks is the time frame, taking the caravan and basically putting a reset on life or a stop and just basically experience a different format of living. And I think it's based on the fact that COVID taught us a lot of things in 2020. One was to not take anything for granted and to do things that seem natural to you and to live your best version of your life. So that's what we're doing. From a business point of view, I'm really excited because I'm going to blog the various areas that we go through, look at it from a real estate perspective and give you some feedback on my thoughts on that area, as well as just continue to provide value to all of our listeners out there that we're very appreciative of. So I'm excited for that next 12 or 13 weeks. The kids will be van schooled by their mother, which she's a little bit nervous about, but excited at the same time. It's less than a week away now. So continue to follow us on socials, follow the journey, and I look forward to bringing you extreme value whilst we're away on the trip.